When you got in here, please turn on your camera so I can see. Thank you. Okay, 2 more minutes and I'm gonna move on. Those who come late, they can rewatch the video again. Okay, let's get started. Today, I'm gonna prep you for the test tomorrow. So it will be short one and be quick so you know where to study after. Let's get started. The first one, I'd like you to know the vocabularies of this unit, which is places. You are supposed to know which place is for what, but you don't need to spell, okay? I'll cut you some slack. You don't need to be able to spell the places, but if you see the word, you must know what it is. Understand? So, is there any words that you don't understand? For 11 words here, 11 vocabularies here. We are clear? Yes? We understand everything, right? Okay. Next one that I will test you, it's about traffic and directions, which I already gave you the exercise, remember? The traffic and directions here. You can go back and look for a traffic and directions. You can look through it again one more time, okay? What does the sign means? Also the prepositions, you know, next to, across from, go through, go along, and also the road, you know, the road sign stuff that you need to know. And I already taught you about that. So go study on that as well about the directions. On the test, there will be a map, and you will have to answer true or false looking at the map. And there will be another map that will just like this, that will ask you to follow the directions and then ask you where did it land you. For example, number 1, right? Number 1, you're here, you say turn right here. Wait, I can, that's right. It says turn right here and then turn left and then turn left. It's on the left. So the answer is museum. That's just an example from what the test is going to be like, but not exactly like this one. Okay, there will be more places and more road, just to confuse you. Okay, and this one is, oh, this one is listening. We don't have listening in the test. That's okay. And also, you're so lucky you don't have to write the direction to tell places. You just have to follow the directions and tell me about places. And that's really easy. Next one is about the lesson 3, right? Story time. In the story time, I decided that I'm not gonna put that in the unit 3 test about the story. You don't have to worry about it, except that you just need to learn about the vocabularies like mode, you know, what does it mean, other stuff. But what you must study is past simple, things that we're talking about the past, right? We have learned past simple, you know, we're using the past tense, past verb. We have regular form of verb, which is added an ed, right? And irregular form of verb, which is change the whole form, change the form of it. And also for the negative sentence, in negative sentence, we using didn't. And the verb from regular form, we just cut the ed out, turn it into base form of verb. And for irregular verb, we just change it from took back to take, from the base form of verb, switch it. Question also, question apply to the same thing as negative form, except we put did in front of the sentence. We put did in front of the sentence, but the verb changing back still. And the answer just yes, he did, or no, he didn't. Understand? Do you have any question regarding on this past simple?
No.
You okay? You're okay. I'm going to take that as a yes. Okay? All right.
Okay.
Here's a little bit of, you know, the present verb and past verb. Things that you need to know already because you're already done with my exercise and everything. So I suggest you to go and take a quick look on the classwork on topic past simple. I have 6 to 8 items about past simple that you need to answer that. Just like this one, just like the exercise you did, same thing. Plus, I have explained everything to you already. So if you understand this one thoroughly, you'll be okay on the section on past simple. And I will ask you the story of lesson 6. Lesson 6, North Court Castle. You will have to read this article. Okay, one more time, let me remind you that this is an open test. So you can use all the books that you have, your notebooks. You can look up the words from a dictionary. If you don't want to be delayed on handing in the exam, you can start reading it today and look up all the words that you don't know and translate it so you understand and you will be able to answer the questions. It's not that hard, you know, easy. What else? Do you understand this article? Right? I hope you understand. Read again. There will be questions about it. You always be able to open the book and answer it tomorrow. Okay, so I suggest that you can read it in advance and find out the words that you don't know from a dictionary. So tomorrow will be easier for you. Right. And the last one is about the Roman number. The Roman number is your choice. You don't have to study for it if you don't want an extra points. Understand? The Roman number is just extra points for you. You will have 2 points to answer. You will be given the number in words. And then you will have to write me or type me a Roman numbers. Please type it in the capital letters. For example, I will ask you.
Teacher, we can't look at the book when we're testing, right?
What?
We can't look at our book when we're testing, right?
Oh, yes, you can. You can look at the book. It's an open test. It's the best thing that come along with COVID that you should be grateful for. Okay. So I just make it so easy for you. You can open the books, you can use every resources that you have, and you have 24 hours to hand in the test. Okay, so here, let me explain it to you. My exams will be the whole exam, right? Plus extra points, which is that Roman number. Okay, that Roman numbers. This one you can opt out. You don't have to do it. It's fine. For example, the whole exam is 20, right? So if you've done 20, plus you still want to do that Roman number and you got it score as well. So you got 2. That means you got 22 out of 20, which is like, you know, high ranking there. Or you don't have to do it. You still got 20. Understand? But if you missed some point in these whole exams, for example, if you got 18 and you've done the extra points correctly, you got 20. Understand? So God forbid if you cannot answer it well and you got like 16, however, you so excel on Roman number, you've done it correctly, you got 18. Do you understand the system?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Also, I will see you tomorrow, right? Tomorrow is the 1st. the 1st of September. So you have 24 hours. That means you have to hand in the exams before 8:30 on the 2nd of September. Okay. For example, if you've done really well, you got 20 out of 20, and you hand it in within 24 hours, you will get 20. Okay. But if you hand it after 8:30 on the 2nd of September, I will deduct your point. Deduct means minus. Even if you made 20, I will minus 1. You will get 19. Got it? If you hand it in later, late hand in. Understand? If you keep, I will deduct it every day 1 point. If you hand in 2 days later, I will deduct it from you. And that's all you got. Understand? So you have to plan well for your exams because you got 24 hours, open books. Okay, that's the most easiest thing ever. You have to be responsibilities for your time and do it well. Okay, you don't have to rush. Tomorrow, I will turn on Zoom here and I will start the exams. I will assign it on Google Classroom. So when you get in, let me know if you can do the link. Okay, and I will explain more about the exams tomorrow, how to do it. Okay, yes. So that is it. I'd like to let you go to study for the exam tomorrow. And if you don't understand, you can always line me before the exam tomorrow. Okay, is there any more questions? Do you have any more questions?
No.
No? Okay. I'm gonna leave you here. Okay, I'm gonna leave you here. If you have any question, you can line me about the exams. All right, so get ready for the test tomorrow, 8:30. I will see you at 8:30, right? Let's see. Yes. See you at 8:30 tomorrow. Please be on time because I will explain how to get into your exams through Google Classroom, and there will be pictures for you to see as well. All right. Good luck and study hard for the test tomorrow. Okay? I let you off not to play, but to study. Understand? Okay. Good luck. See you tomorrow, 8:30. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, teacher Jenny.
Bye bye.
Bye.